The Gear Sphere, also known as the Steampunk Whirling Wonder Fidget, is an innovative 3D printed gear ball designed by the artist Reuven Balls and produced by Sandscoop. This fidget toy stands out for its intricate design and mechanical appeal, crafted with environmental silk PLA plastic using advanced 3D printing technology. It measures approximately 3.1 inches in all dimensions and weighs just over 3.5 ounces, making it compact and easy to carry for use anywhere. The Gear Sphere is suitable for children aged 3 and up, as well as adults, offering a tactile and visual experience that aims to relieve stress and anxiety while providing entertainment. Users appreciate the Gear Sphere for its unique steampunk aesthetic and the smooth, dynamic motion of its gears. Many find the design fascinating and enjoy figuring out how the gears interact and move, which adds an element of curiosity beyond typical fidget toys. The toy's colors and texture contribute to its visual appeal, making it an eye-catching desk or office accessory. Several reviewers mention that the toy is well constructed with a tight initial assembly that loosens with use, allowing for a satisfying manipulation experience. This quality build and intriguing shape make it a popular gift choice for kids and adults alike, particularly for those who enjoy mechanical puzzles or need a calming distraction during work or study. However, some users report mixed experiences with the Gear Sphere's durability and ease of movement. While many find the motion smooth and the parts well fitted, others have encountered difficulty in moving the gears fluidly or have experienced pinching during use. A few users noted that the toy can break if handled roughly, especially by younger children, as some tabs fitting into the core may snap off. This has led to suggestions that the material could be made slightly less rigid to improve longevity. Additionally, some find the toy's range of motion limited to a repetitive ball-to-flower transformation, which might reduce long-term engagement compared to other shape-shifting fidget toys that offer more variety and challenge. The Gear Sphere is praised for its stress-relieving benefits, particularly for people with anxiety who find that manipulating the gears helps divert their mind from stressors. It is also valued as a fun and calming tool suitable for various settings, including offices, classrooms, and therapy waiting rooms. The toy's size and portability make it convenient for travel or quick breaks. While it may not offer complex puzzles or multiple configurations, its simplicity is appreciated by some users who prefer straightforward, mindless manipulation to keep their hands busy. In summary, the Gear Sphere is a well-designed, visually appealing fidget toy that combines artistic craftsmanship with functional stress relief. It excels as a gift and a conversation piece with a unique mechanical charm that distinguishes it from typical fidget gadgets. Its main drawbacks include occasional issues with durability and limited motion variety. Overall, it is recommended for those seeking a distinctive tactile toy that provides calming repetitive motion and a touch of steampunk style. If you own this product, sharing your experience in the comments will help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel.